Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by creating an Expo managed app and preparing Firebase now. Install Expo CLI and Node, then run Expo in it to create your project. Once done, create a Firebase project in the console and add a web app to get your config object and API key. Make sure to store keys in app. Config JS or secure env variables rather than inline. This protects credentials. Next, install Expo application and Expo constants, so your app can expose runtime values needed for Firebase initialization. Now initialize Firebase using the JS SDK v9 modular approach inside Expo. Do not use native Firebase SDKs that require ejecting. Install Firebase with npm or yarn, then create a Firebase JS file where you import initialize app, get auth, get firestore, and get storage. Use constants, manifest, extra or process, env to inject the config object at build time. Once initialized, export auth, DB, and storage instances. Make sure to use async functions for auth flows and proper finish by wiring auth and firestore into your UI. Implement sign-up and sign-in flows using email link or email and password, and manage user state with context or React query. For firestore, use batched writes and enable offline persistence when possible, and be mindful of security rules. Once done, test thoroughly on a physical device using Expo Go or a custom dev client, then build with EAS for production. If something breaks, check Firebase rules and network logs first. Most issues are misconfigured rules or wrong API keys.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.